Hello everyone, and welcome back to Let's Make a Game. This is Snackrificial Chamber, episode 19, and today I'm adding a new track type and a new cargo type. The new track type, the Incinerator, will be used to destroy the new cargo type of garbage. If any other cargo type is destroyed by the Incinerator, the player will fail the level. Let's get started. As a continuation of the last episode, I created a new prefab for the garbage cargo type. I already added the type, so I only need to replace the prefab in my level build master instance. The next change I made was adding a new tile type. Today's new tile type is Incinerator. I also set the subtype and output type for this new file. I then created a new model for the Incinerator and added that to my level build master instance. I set up a material for the glow under the Incinerator and a particle system to imitate fire. This particle system plays when a cargo object activates the tile under it. In order to be able to check for incompatible sacrifice type and cargo type combinations, I needed to be able to send more than just the ritual circle name to check win conditions. To do this, I created a simple structure called sacrifice that contains the name, sacrifice type, and cargo type. I also cleaned up the GameTile class by moving the register sacrifice logic to a new method that returns true or false based on whether or not a sacrifice was actually made. I then moved the logic to activate the particle system to its own method. Within the check position behavior script, I had to make some changes to accommodate the GameTile updates. The game tile will always be activated, so particles will play if they exist. If the game tile performed a sacrifice, I start the destroy coroutine. Otherwise, the cargo will find the next output position. The last changes I made are in the win condition master class. I updated the register sacrifice callback to take in the new sacrifice structure, and I also added logic to the check early fail method to make sure the circle type and cargo type are compatible. If they aren't, a descriptive message will be returned. So here's the Incinerator in action. When the cargo activates the Incinerator, it triggers the fire and will fail if it destroys a chicken. That's all I have for today's episode. I added the Incinerator track type and the garbage cargo type. I also added the requirement that any cargo destroyed by the Incinerator must be garbage. If it's not, the player will lose the level. If you like this episode, you can subscribe to my channel on the left, or if you want to see more, you can use the links on the right. If you have suggestions, you can leave a comment or reach out to me on Twitter. Thanks for watching!